Parang ngayon kasi nararamdaman ko lang yan. May signal talaga ang pangarap. Parang, syempre may times na you are in the time na parang kinupush mo yung sarili mo pagkantito. Charot. Pero like, with the help of Ansam, with the help of Kaz, it's very big support.
We are just doing. We just crossed the line. We haven't really finished crossed the line. We haven't crossed the line yet, pero we are crossing the line very soon.
Matatapos ang festival.
Act 1.
God bless. God bless amin. God bless everyone.
God bless the world. Cross the world. Cross the floor. Parang cross the world. Paano tatagos? Nani? Tumagos siya. Kung may yung pawisan ka na, tapos yung choreo pa natin may jacket.
Ano ba kayo nagpalit tayo? Ako na kumakanta kasi kayo sumakit. As papel. Papel.
Wala lang.
Share
ko lang. Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain mo?
Gnarly.
Ang lunch ko ay sandwich lang. Joke lang. Naka-afford pa yun. Joke lang. Plastic ka nyo. Sinabi.
Hindi ko kailangan out ang exit. Kailangan out ang exit. Denise, yung chair mo ilagay mo sa tabi ni ate.
Pasang puso sa bawat dagok, ulit-uli aking dasal. We'll cross the line. Tayo na lang ating. So we're done for today, guys. How are you? We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. Natapos na namin almost ang Act 1. So kakapit talaga kami hanggang sa Disney.
See you guys!
Malayo pa pero malayo pa talaga.
Guys, so week 3 na po na walang aray. Sana makanood din po kayo.
Yes!
Sana makanood din po kayo ng Bar Boys the Music.
Yes! Yes! At manood din kayo ng Pinky Ann dahil si Picture Jomel din ang choreographer.
Also, Dagita!
And yes! Oh my God, guys! Dagita! Manood po kayo ng Dagita. Habang pinapanood nyo to, ongoing na aming shows.
Inside that building, there is a line that divides people from lawyers. And it's a line that we still can't cross.
Sa isang buwan na naming pagre-rehearse, alam namin na malayo na ang aming narating. Pero malayo pa talaga ang aming lalandasin. Hindi rin talaga biro yung binubuhos naming pagod kada araw para lang mabuo tong show na to. Sa restaging na to, ang daming kailangang aralin, ang daming kailangang isipin, pero nagagawa pa rin naman namin. Kahit na minsan o madalas, gulong-gulo na rin talaga kami sa ginagawa namin. At sa pangatlong pagkakataon, maswerte kami na muli naming makikwento ang Bar Boys. Ang kwentong sama-sama naming binuo at binubuo.
Okay? Okay ba yun? Yes! Aralin natin yan? Yes! Promise! Okay, sasapaw doon tayo ng mabilis na kasi sobrang bilis lang. We run by 2 o'clock. Okay? As in, by over by 2, we run by 2 o'clock. Yes? Yes! Saka magtutularan si Happy Birthday to you! Happy Birthday!
kasi nagka-calorie counting sa actually 1
Calorie counting. Ang daming calories niyan.
Go, Dan. Go, Dan.
Oh, go.
Wait lang.
Wow! Okay.
Okay, go.
I will be watching Dear Evan Hansen tonight. That's why I'm waving
Through the window.
To the mirror.
the camera.
To the camera.
Yes. See you, Dear Evan Hansen. My name is Dear. Of course it's raining, it's September. Of course it's traffic, it's the Philippines. Yesterday, I was able to watch Dear Evan Hansen. Oh my! Special siya sa akin kasi yun yung una kong musical na nasabi ko na gusto ko tong gawin. All we see is sky for forever. On the outside, always looking in. Will I ever be more than I've always been? Cause I'm tapping on the glass, waving through a window. I try to speak but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear. It's also the season of flu. So ingat po tayo sa panahon. Ang daming usong sakit ngayon. Safe kayo always. So para maging safe ako lalo, iinto ko na tong pagbibideo na to at magpo-focus na ako sa driving ko dahil kanina pa ako dito nai-stuck sa traffic. Ayan. Sobrang traffic. Palakas muna kayo bago mag-first stumble through.
Benedict, what does stumble through mean?
Stumble through means that you will have to stumble.
Upon what?
Upon spell?
Can you spell stumble? Then
Spell, Leo.
Stumble? Cut na lang. Benedict's expert po mag-stumble.
Because he is Benedict with an X has X factor.
With an stumble.
And yung I stumble through.
Iba't iba po sila na.
May kanya-kanya kaming version.
May ganyan.
Ay, gulong-gulo siya dito. Bakit? Sa akin ang pinakamaikli. Kanino ang pinakamahaba?
Ako ang pinakamahaba.
Oo, naman pala eh. Si award-winning.
Award-winning, dapat playwright na rin dito.
Anong masasabi mo doon, Papo?
Sa akin yung pinaka...
Maliit pero makapal.
Wow!
Pero makabuluhan.
The growth is there. Siyempre kahit mahirap yung ginagawa natin everyday, like it's a challenge, it's a growth na ginagawa natin lahat to. And of course, hawak natin yung pinanghahawakan natin yung kung ano mang reason kung bakit tayo nandito. Kaya yun yung isang rason kung bakit tayo nagpapatuloy for the Bar Boys musical. Yung laki ng adjustment ko actually. Like super. Ano naman, it's about understanding everything. And it's my first parang professional teatro. And parang kasi nararamdaman ko lang may signal talaga ang pangarap. Parang syempre may times na you're in the time na parang kinukwestiyon mo yung sarili mo, ba't ka dito? Charot. Pero like, with the help of Ansam, with the help of Kais, like, it's very big support. Parang yun lang, parang malaking tulog ng energy ng lahat ng Kais. Kasi whenever you feel na you question yourself, you doubt yourself on it, parang andyan yung mga kasama mo para i-lift ka. And that is super helpful. Kasi we're physically and mentally drained. Whatever happens here, iba ang nangyayari sa personal na buhay natin. Which is, ang bibit-bitin lang natin is the positivity. Ang sarap mangarap. yun nga yung lahat ay may kaakibat. So, you need to work it out, you need to make specific. Of course, proud ka sa sarili mo na, yes, I did it.
Projection.
Lahat ng tao ay pwedeng managinip.
Ayoko na.
Wait lang.
Happy first stumble through, guys!
Wala na yung nonchalant!
Wala nang nonchalant. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Leo?
Isang tayo nyo!
Nag-flick sa ulo.
Being an artist means being able to do the job that you love doing. And it doesn't really necessarily have to be perfect. You just have to do it. And from there, there's no way but up and forward.
Grabe yung pawis mo, ha?
Guys! So, earn na tayo, mga!
Bobo na naman ako!
Character lang.
Pagod naman typecast! Sana wag po kayo mapagod na ikasama Bobo. Guys, kasama kayo sa play ko ah. Bobo the Musical.
Tapos ang mga lead, mga gobyerno.
Oh. I love it.
How did you like the first stumble through?
I loved it! Oh my God! Benedict is brilliant.
Wow! What
All
did you
new
say?
staging po. Panoorin niyo po. All new staging talaga.
All new talaga. Anong mga...
Ang galing po ni Benedict.
Wow!
Back to the left.
What do you say about the first stumble through of Act 1?
I think it can do it.
For sure. Oo
Ako naman, pero naramdaman ko na siya, so excited.
Paano yung ramdam? Paano nararamdaman?
Grabe yung tayo niya dun sa mahirap pangarap. Nakakadagdag sa'yo yun, no, na mataas.
Yes. Nakakadagdag.
Okay, so we're just all gonna pretend that we're drinking one big boba tea. See the torso? It doesn't go like this. Just go here. This is straighter. Kakasabi ko lang kay James din, maraming singer ako, kaya mo yun mahaba. Yes, kaya mo yun mahaba pag nakatayo ka.
Doble tayo sa inflation.
Hooray!
May silang pangarap. Pag-inupa sa buwag sa puso mo.
I-mark nyo na saan kayo hihinga. Kasi pwede naman siyang maraming breath marks, pero tumutunog ka. Yes, yes.
Whole day kang ganyan, ha? Whole day kang ganyan. Oo. Okay.
First time doing Josh sa rehearsals in full talaga. I guess yung masasabi ko, it's that ang daming planning like in your head. I'm sure sa iba ding covers, maybe even like principals. Ang daming like planning na nagaganap. Pero pag nandun ka na hindi lumalabas the way you expect it. And yung support ng fellow ensemble, fellow cast members, grabe, hindi ko matatawid without them. Literally, pinubuhat nila ako. Mahirap siya. Like, promise. Kasi, unlike other covers na cover lang talaga yung trabaho, no other role, hindi ako nakakaupo to watch yung principal actor do it, tas take notes lang. Kasi nakasalang ako din all the time.
Masaya kasi I think the covers are really when you're waiting in the audience, tas parang nakikita mo yung whole show the whole time. Tas parang finally kapag nakasali ka, you're able to give something new. Something na parang gigil kang ibigay while you're waiting in the Wings. We already have some like choreography and scene work, like all of that stuff. But iba talaga once all of the production hits. So I'm excited for that.
Ang masasabi ko lang talaga finally, kasi for the longest time, parang ang daming pulo, ang daming gustong gawin na nung katawan ko as Eric Astoran. Tapos parang ito lang talaga hinihintay ko, yung maggalaw ko na siya and then discover what works, what doesn't work, to finally be able to get to know the character.
So Eric or Toran?
Torik.
Lunch break, guys.
Parang first time namin magsabay-sabay ng barbers na 4 dito. Oo nga. First time namin, guys, na 4 kami nila ng barbers nagsabay dito sa karinderya. Yung magulang ko, pinapanood yung vlog ni Benedict kagabi. Sabi ko, nagkakarinderya sila, nasan ka? Sabi ko, nagkakarinderya rin ako pag wala akong baon. So ngayon, nasa karinderya ako. Wala akong baon.
Hey, dear Evan Hansen. Anyway, guys, this is just a perfect way to end this week. It's Friday today, and we're ending the week, right? I guess.
Wala lang, sobrang Hoy, bakit umalis na kayo? Sobrang happy lang po. Grabe yung culture dito. Naiyak ko naman ako. Grabe lang yung culture dito sa Barefoot, guys. Grabe, 10 over 10. Ha? Bakit may review? Recommended to.
Reviewer ka pala.
Oo, sobrang nakakapagod. Pero honestly, nakaka-proud kayo. Kasi even the new ones, because lalo na sila yung, I'm sure nagulat din sa sarili nila.
For sure. Yun yung nakaka-proud doon. Yung para makita mo na most of us are first-timers talaga sa professional theater. Yeah, I must say, grabe, they offer so much on the table.
Grabe, kayo.
Nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo sa kanila?
Yes! Sobra. Like, anong first time ko talaga sa theater, I was super duper overwhelmed. Pero sa kanila parang, first time nyo ba talaga? Alam mo yun, may ganung, may parang, ito no, walang end. Pero I just really love how this ensemble works.
Proud of you guys.
And so we are reminded that it's not really about where we're going. It's about how we're doing it. And most especially, who are we doing it with? And when we cross the line, no one gets left behind.